Okay. So it's now recording. Okay, so ang ganda ng topic ngayon natin guys, no, double your sales, double your leads. Ayan. So, I'm gonna introduce to you na yung speaker natin. Ayan. So she is actively engaged in our speaker today is a passionate techpreneur and digital innovator. She is the founder of DocuNeeds Digital Solution, a company that helps entrepreneurs and SMEs grow through smart websites, landing pages, and online systems that turns click into customers. She is actively engaged in several business organizations including JABRACC, Rotaract Club of QC Media Tech, and OMSMPC as Lazada individual seller. She also serves as director of HR Volt Pro Asia and Skillset Philippines, co-founder of TopCon Philippines, and president of Cavite Business Owners Club. With a strong background as marketing head of business, Labyrinth in New York, marketing director of Zip City Philippines, and project manager of for international ventures like Boracay Restaurant in Australia, she has proven expertise in digital marketing and business growth. On top of that, she is also a skilled social media strategist. So grabe ang bigat ng credentials ni Ma'am. Yeah, so everyone, please welcome Miss Arlene Iknad. Ayan. So Miss Arlene, you can now share your screen po.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, good evening, everyone. Kamusta po? Naririnig ko ba ako? Please type 1, number 1 kung naririnig niyo ako, kung okay ba yung aking boses diyan sa inyo, guys. All right, got it. So yeah, thank you so much, Pancake Philippines, for letting me share this knowledge no na nakukuha ko lang din naman sa Pancake. And yun, so ang topic natin for tonight's webinar is double your leads, double your sales, no? Is the sales pipeline shortcut. Actually, masyadong simple lang naman talaga. Hindi naman talaga ganun kakomplikado. Sometimes kasi, kino-complicate natin the marketing, ano, right? So, ngayon is papasimplihan natin and gamit lang naman po yung tools ng ating Pancake Philippines. All right. So, no further ado, dapat wala ito. So, I would like to mute this one. Okay, so no further ado, I would like to introduce to you myself. My name is Arlene Ignad. I am the founder of Documents Digital Solution. So, um, um, I provide practical strategies and personalized support to empower parents to balance their caregiving responsibilities. Talagang tinututukan ko itong to empower parents because I am a solo parent. I am a solo mother of two and for 21 years and actually ang ibinubuhay ko lang po talaga sa kanila maliban doon sa aking 9 to 5 jobs last 2000 is talagang online. Right after my corporate jobs is actually nag online na ako. All right? So being a freelancer and I move heaven and earth just to feed my children nung time na yun na they're still in their elementary days. So, bakit ko siya tinututukan, online, in parenting? Because, that was the time na talagang super down ka and then you don't know what to do at you have to be the father and the mother of your children. So paano kang kikita? So thankful ako because we have what we call internet. All right? So doon po ako kumikita. So I just want to share this because during pandemic marami pong maraming na-depress, nagka-anxiety because walang income. But thanks God, we have this online jobs or online income. All right. So I believe my mission is to inspire and guide parents and solo parents. So sabi ko nga kanina, I am really very, very serious of helping solo parents to educate them as well, most especially na yung very hands-on parents talaga na they really want to be to take care of their children, no, that not even leaving them even a seconds of their life, no. So yeah, I just want to guide parents and solo parents on their journey to financial independence and personal fulfillment. Because for me, yun lang po talagang pinagkikitaan namin and hanap buhay namin. But then again, we survive and now we are thriving. So that is why we are here, because I want to share to you the knowledge that Pancake Philippines shared din sa akin. So I really have to share that with you. So I guess this has been already disclosed by Miss Jessa. Thank you, Ma'am Jessa. All right. So I build DocuNeeds digital marketing services and business support. We're actually helping businesses to own or to have their weapon in their business battleground, most especially digitally. No, so we build websites, social media management, and a lot with regards to digital marketing. But more so, we are also having this digital online services in where we help people who don't know how to do it online via this e-government services. So we also help them. That's another part of the business of DocuNeeds, no? So malaking tulong din po talaga the leads na I'm getting coming from the Pancake platform. So that is why I'll be sharing this to you tonight. So, we already have 13 branches. Before pandemic po, wala pa pong DocuNeeds talaga. So, parang sumibol na lang siya right after during the pandemic. But the keywords there is helping people, because kaya lang naman isinilang si DocuNeeds because we just want to help people, no, most especially for the e-government services. And then that time the Philippines is actually suffering talaga much na lahat halos nagsarado. So there, nagsimula ho kaming mag-build ng website and social media management and helping people like, sa e-commerce na paano nila i-digitalize the tradition business that they have na nagsarado. So kaya, paano siya i-open during pandemic? Kaya isinilang si Dawkins. All right. The only reason why I build Dawkins is because family matters to me. Ever since po na naging solo parent po ako, in 21 years, hindi po ako nawala sa tabi ng mga anak ko. I always there for them. I talk to them, whatever problem na hinaharap nila sa business, I mean sa school nila, I'm always there. All right. And I want to play with them. Of course, maraming dysfunctional parents, mothers, fathers na absent sa pag-aalaga ng kanilang mga anak, because this is what we called parang because sa mga hanap buhay natin, 'no, so kulang sa oras, kaya minsan yaya na lang, minsan lumalaki na lang sila na hindi natin namalayan. So that's the reason why I want this kind of business na talagang online, the e-commerce, social media strategy, yun yung pinagkakatutukan ko. Hindi naman ako strategist agad, hindi naman expert agad. Pinag-aaralan yan because of what we call the big whys. Most of the coaches actually they're asking, what's your big why? Why you're here? What's the reason na bumabangon ka? para kanino ka bumabangon? So I don't want to ask that question to you right now because I know for sure, iisa lang din talaga ang isasagot nyo because of family, because of mga anak, because of husband, wife, or parents. So, yeah, and we have the same reason. And that is why tinutukan ko talagang mabuti itong digital marketing and helping people online. And you know what? I'm so glad and we're so glad, we're so blessed that we have this pancake in where talagang jam-packed na ba, it's a full package, the CRM, the bot cake, the web cake for landing page, and also for the POS, jam-packed na siya. So one of the establishment or company that helped my family without them knowing is Pancake. Kasi doon ko po kinukuha yung mga systems, some of the systems, although there are a lot of platform, but some of the systems ni Pancake is talagang ginagamit namin. So we have this what we call a marketing loop. All right. So are you guys ready? So I'll be sharing you now the secret sauce of the success ng Doki Needs. So please type number 2 if you're ready for this marketing loop. All right. Thank you. Alright. So, yeah, in our marketing ano naman talaga sa Dokinits, ito po yung ginagamit namin. So, this is based on our experience, based on our production, no, mga strategies namin sa Dokinits. So, unang-una, kung meron kaming mga account na hinahawakan from the client or kahit anong product na gusto naming ibebenta, digital products, health and wellness, or real estate, nag-real estate din ako. Unang-una ang ginagawa namin is gagawan siya ng page. So, it's not only Facebook page but as well as, mga ibang account sa iba't ibang social media. So, page na ibig sabihin dito is social media po 'yan. And then next to that is the caption, the proper positioning by words. Nakita ko the other day, no, the other week na merong speaker din, si Pancake na nagbibigay ng scripting, 'no? The script because it's very important na, you know how to position your, product, your service, or your business. And also we are doing the social bookmarking. So, can you please guys, type number 9 if ginawa niyo ba itong social bookmarking or do you have idea kung ano yung social bookmarking? Give me a heads up. Type 999. Alright. So, wala. Wala nakakaalam sa social bookmark. I'm gonna be sharing that to you maybe mamaya sa actual demo natin. And then, after the social bookmarking, along with that, sabay po ito sila, along with social bookmark, is the landing page. We're so blessed to have Pancake for this landing page because very, very simplified system of building a landing page, no? Landing page, and after the landing page is doon na yung data banking doon sa ating POS, point of sale. Alright? So, lahat ng ito i-discuss po natin tonight. Isa-isahin po natin para alam po natin kung gaano kasimple lang ang funnel, ang sales funnel or the sales autopilot ng Doki Needs. This is based on our experience, guys. All right. So maliban sa marketing loop, we also have what we call the sales autopilot. All right. We have a process flow in where ito po yung pinakauna. So kanina sa marketing loop, nauna na po doon yung page which is part of the social media campaign. We're gonna be building a page, I mean the business account, probably in Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. When we say social media, it's not just Facebook eh, marami. May threads, may multiply. So marami siya. Ang target lang naman natin dito is yung makita ng ating target audience na we are here, we exist. This kind of project ng isang real estate broker exist, or this kind of service exist. So kailangan lang naman talaga nating ipaalam. So how are we going to do that is that we will offer some freebies, discounts, free webinar, free ebook, like yung sinabi kanina ni Miss Jessa, no? Sinong may gusto ng promo code? Alright. Baka mamaya mag-o-offer din siya ng promo code. Alright? So you have to stay, guys. Alright? Ang goal ng social media campaign, so this is the first process flow ng autopilot sales natin, is una, we just need to attract traffic. We just to let them know that we are here, that we exist. All right. We just need to capture attention from our target audience. And second to that, for our flow, is the landing page. I know, guys, that sinasabi nyo ngayon, some of you tells us that, di naman ako techie. You need not to worry because we're gonna be giving you also some directives about how to build this landing page even if you're not techie. Alright? So ano tong landing page? Anong magiging trabaho ni landing page sa sales autopilot natin? Ito yung doon sa ating creatives, doon sa social media na campaign natin, ito yung magsasabi na click your ad, or or learn more, or shop now, or enroll now, or book now, or ano pa ba, yung sa real estate, like, yeah, book now, something like that, or schedule, gano'n. So ito yung itong landing page ang magbibigay sa inyo sa client, sa prospect natin na ganito kaganda yung aking service, ganito kaganda yung aking product. Na explain niyo lahat. Bakit? Because ang loob ng landing page is a very clear headline and benefit, like sa mga wellness, health and wellness. Ano bang gamit ng moringa? 'Di ba? Anong benepisyo makukuha kapagka iinom ako ng moringa? Alright? So, bakit ako iinom? Anong meron? So, the clear headline will tell you, like, it's somewhat like an elevator pitch na andiyan na lahat. Parang, I have nothing to ask anymore. I just need to buy that. I just need to book. I just need to sign up, because it explains na clearly in the headline. Yan ang kagandahan sa landing page. Another is that we can offer, or there is a call to action to download, to sign up, to book now. And another thing, and the very important, and yun po yung pinag-uusapan natin tonight, is the form to collect the leads information. And that is the name, the email, the phone number, and the address kapag you are in the e-commerce. Alright? Ang goal naman natin for the landing page flow is to convert visitors into leads. Alright, iko-convert natin yung visitors natin from coming from our social media post, iko-convert natin siya into leads. Well, pwede namang walang landing page, pwede namang Facebook lang. Yes, pwede po yun. But then again, hindi mo masisave yung leads mo. Ako, nung the other time, may binenta ako, tapos nakalimutan ko, hindi ko na alam kung anong pangalan niya. So even if how, tas nagbago yung algorithm ni Facebook, hindi mo na mase-search yung ka-chat mo the other month. Kasi nagbago nga yung algorithm ni Facebook. So, better na meron tayong landing page so that makikita pa rin natin the leads ng ating prospect, buyers, or customers. Next one is the point of sale or checkout. Well, checkout, if you already have the what do you call this one? Payment gateway. But if wala kang payment gateway, okay na din dito sa point of sale. Alright? Bakit? Kasi mare-redirect sila doon. I mean the information that your prospect or your customer na fill out nila doon sa iyong form, doon sa landing page, is mababangko doon sa POS. Yan tinatawag nating data banking, the point of sale. Alright? So, sometimes kapagka nakita ni customer 'pag may checkout na may bayad pala 'to. Eh, dito sa Philippines, we are more into, um, COD. Alam niyo yung COD? Cash on delivery. So, kapagka merong checkout, never mind, ayoko na nga. Eh, sayang yung leads, 'di ba? I mean, nag-fill up na siya. So, paano yun? Eh, ayaw niyang bumili. Nagbago yung ano niya, kasi nagbago yung kanyang isip, "Ayoko ng bumili kasi may bayad pala, puwede namang cash on delivery." 'Di ba doon sa landing page walang, cash on delivery kasi atin yun, eh, landing page natin yun. So, anong gagawin natin? Good thing that we have POS because may retention. Puwede mong balikan, puwede mong tawagan. Puwedeng chat support or puwede mo siyang tawagan like, "Hi, this is Arlene calling from IC, and I understand your interest to buy this product, but then what keeps you holding? Bakit hindi ka nagtuloy-tuloy? Do you want me to walk you through sa checkout natin, ma'am?" So, there, mako-convert mo yung leads into paying customers even if nagbago yung decision niya to buy because they just wanted, or we actually wanted, cash on delivery. Kasi ayaw nating ma-scam, ayaw din nating mang-scam. Alright? So that's the goal of POS, to convert the leads into paying customers. Alright? So that will lead us to automated nurturing flow. Why? Because kapag ka nakuha na natin yung information ni customer, ni client, yung leads na nag-sign up na, we can actually nurture them via email marketing, messenger campaign, alright? So, yun yung tinatawag nating messaging campaign and the SMS follow-ups. And there's a lot of sequence na pwede nating trabahuin at doon na naman papasok yung bot cake. 'Di ba? So, ang ganda ng platform ng Pancake. So, ito naman, itong automated nurturing flow ang goal naman dito is to build trust sa customer, right? And guide prospects closer to buying. Yun nga ang sabi ko kanina, paano kung nagbago yung isip nung nakita niyang may checkout pala? Ayoko na lang, pero nakikita na doon sa POS. So mamaya ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano mag-work yung POS. Okay? Again, we are just talking about the leads here. Alright? We will not be telling you how to do it in the landing page, but we will show you how the landing page or how the POS responds to the landing page na ginagawa natin. Alright? So that's the flow. We have the marketing loop and we have this process flow. Alright? So, may naiintindihan ba tayo doon before we proceed to our wow window? Ano kaya yung wow window na yan? Can you please give me type number 3 so that we can proceed to our wow window? 333. This is very exciting and very interesting kasi alam mo, meron akong nakitang isang
Oh, oh,
ads. Hmm, yeah, alright. May napanood akong isang ads sa Facebook na, "Hindi niyo ba alam kung paano mag-check out? Ganito lang ang pagche-check out, oh." Ganyan, ganyan 'no. So, well, um yun po yung landing page, okay? It shows legitimacy and legality ng authenticity din ng isang product. Huwag kayong magpaloko because why? Some of the mga ibang fake na mga nagbebenta, wala talaga silang landing page. They're into Facebook, Facebook. Pero if you have landing page, you are legit, authentic, and talagang pinaghirapan. So, okay. Alright, so you're all ready. Now, the wow window, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina na parang, elevator pitch ng ating creatives. Alright. So, ito po yan siya. Kailangang may mga ganon, may buy one, get one, big sale, bestseller, free gift. Pag meron po yan, automatic po, bibili po talaga sa atin yung ating mga prospect clients. But it has nothing to do with us na, gagastos tayo ng malaki, 'no? Because tayo lang din naman ang gagawa paano natin makukuha ang buy one, get one, bestseller, and free gift, okay? That is the wow window. Now, paano natin gawin yung wow window? The wow window is the 3 seconds of your opening line doon sa iyong ginagawang creatives, okay? You need to grab your target audience. Attention nila at saka yung interest nila para mapapatigil sila sa post mo, alright? Because there is this algorithm of Facebook na in 3 seconds kapagka nagtulala yung target audience mo, fa-follow upan niya yan, iba ngayon si Meta, eh, fa-follow upan niya ng like, mga parang parehas na post na kung saan ka tumigil in 3 to 5 seconds, okay? So, the wow window, it could be a picture or a video. Sa amin sa DocuNeeds, kapagka kami, nag-ads, we tend to have this 113. So this 3 ad set, that will be 1 video and 2 image, right? Yun yung aming creatives. So kailangan mapapatigil sila doon, right? If not, then yun yung tinatawag nilang sunog na sunog ang iyong ads. But of course, hindi natin pag-uusapan yan. Alright? So, the wow window, actually, there is only 3 reason, or I believe there's only 3 reason. I know that some people or some marketer, mas marami pa silang reason na ibabato sa kanilang creatives to stop, to make their target audience stop, right? So ang sa atin naman, unang-una, kailangan nakikipag-usap yung creatives mo sa target audience mo, sa prospect mo, sa buyers mo, sa customers mo. Kailangan it speaks to them, alright? So, it speaks to them. Kaya nga kailangan gamitin natin yung tinatawag nating marketing psychology or emotional psychology of marketing, alright? And how? Kailangan it speaks urgency. Kailangan may urgency to know, urgency to, "Oh, parang akin ba 'to? Parang akin 'to, parang ako 'to. Parang sa akin nakikipag-usap 'to." 'Di ba? Or something like that. Paano gagawin 'yan, malalaman natin mamaya. Alright, number 2, it interests them. Kailangan magkaka-interest yung client natin or yung prospect natin kung ano yung pinapakita mo, yung kampanya mo, kung ano yung marketing mo. It speaks, it will create curiosity to them. "Akin ba 'to? Parang ako 'to. Parang kailangan ko 'to." 'Di ba? So, kanina parang nakikipag-usap siya sa'kin, parang parang para sa akin talaga 'tong words na 'to. Ito naman, curiosity, parang ako ba 'to? Ano kaya 'to? Ayun, may curiosity na. That's the second creatives that you have to, create. Another, number 3, and the last one, it solves their problem. Kailangan nasasagot ng creatives natin yung problema ng ating, prospect. Awareness. Kaya pala. Hindi ko alam, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Dapat bilhin ko 'to, kaya naman pala ganito, kasi kailangan ko 'to. So, you know, Why? Because on the first attempt, nung una mong makita, for example, dapat pala ang ginawa kong sample dito, the first, second, and third creative is real estate kasi real estate ang karamihan. But anyway, on the first creative that you gotta make is kailangan may urgent hooking daw. Alright? Kailangan may urgent hooking na heart problem. Bakit parang biglang naninikip? Bakit biglang naninikip yung dibdib ko? So, urgent yun. Ano kaya 'to? So, pero actually wala naman. Nakita niya lang talaga sa unang creatives. Napapatigil ka ng creatives. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, pak! Hit ka na ni Meta. Alright? So, hindi ko kailangan 'to. Wala naman akong sakit sa puso, eh. Although there is an urgent hooking na na nakapasok sa system mo, okay. So, nag-scroll ka pa rin, scroll up kasi gusto mo yung ano, gusto mo yung reels na fina-follow mo. After 5 minutes, lumabas na naman ang isang creatives that speaks warning hooking. Isang warning hooking na warning signs like 5 signs or 3 signs that you have heart problem. Tapos yung signs na yun sasabihin doon sa creatives mo na um, mabilis manghina, mababa ang energy, mainitin ang ulo. Oh my God, I have that signs. May sakit ba ako? No way, in Jesus' name. Parang gano'n agad, 'di ba? I rebuke, I rebuke. So, parang wala akong sakit sa puso. But then na-hook ka in 5 to 10 seconds of that. So, na-hit ka na ni Meta. On that after 5 minutes, scroll up ka, eto na ang third creative, that is the awareness window, the awareness hooking. Like, shall we say, 3 symptoms that you have heart failure or heart problem. Um, hindi nakakaramdam ng gutom. Ay, kaya pala. Or mabilis mapagod. Laging nauuhaw. Oh my God, this really speaks to me. From the very beginning, pinapakita na sa akin yung heart. I guess this is the sign. I must buy this. That is the wow window, guys. Alright? Kahit gaano ka kagaling mag-Facebook ads, kahit gaano kalaki pa yung budget mo, 'pag pangit at hindi catchy at walang hooking, walang urgent hooking, walang warning hooking, walang awareness hooking, yung iyong creatives, then yon ang tinatawag na masusunog din yung ads mo. Alright? So because of that, we will introduce to you some of the tools that we are using here in Needs when we actually gumagawa ng marketing plans or mga campaigns namin. Of course, number one dyan, si ChatGPT. Bakit ko pa talaga, well, actually, there's a lot of AI tools, but as of tonight, I'll just want to introduce one at yun yung pinakasikat na ChatGPT 'no, the OpenAI. Bakit ko pa papahirapan yung sarili ko kung puwede ko namang gamitin si ChatGPT to build my marketing plan and to do my creatives, alright? Anong gamit ni ChatGPT? Siya yung content generator and also nag-o-automate din siya ng design and branding ng ating product or services, whatever business that you have right now. And also, nagsa-suggest din siya ng mga short form video strategies. At saka yung mga maliliit na mga moments, voice consistency, emotional hook. Sabi nila, si ChatGPT wala daw heart, wala daw puso. Will you agree to that? Well, yeah, but we governs ChatGPT. Okay? ChatGPT will not empower us. We will govern ChatGPT. Kaya nga meron tayong tinatawag na emotional psychology in marketing because sasabihin natin kay ChatGPT, "Can you please make it a little of catchy or punchy headline?" So, puwede mo siyang iko-command. So, ginagamit ho natin yung ChatGPT. And next to that, we are also using for the creatives ng Canva. Kung marunong ka mag-Photoshop, congrats! Kasi hindi ako marunong. Alright? So, very creatives yung mind ko, pero hindi creatives yung wala akong skill sa Photoshop. But thanks goodness, we have Canva. Canva, to those na hindi nakakaalam, well, I'm quite sure alam ng lahat in the room. Canva is graphic design tools, right? Lahat andyan na, okay? Lalo pag premium ka, but why premium? Why go premium kung pwede namang free? Here in Docunis as well, hindi ho kami nagpe-premium. We just use the free ano ng mga tools. And for landing page is WebCake. The landing page actually just last July, August, we launched our cadet bootcamp. Cadet means Christ-centered, action-oriented, D discipline, and then E is excellence, and T is transformation. Our Docunids Marketing Cadet program, we launched it in Mindanao at Davao del Norte. Actually, talagang pinaghirapan kong gawin yung landing page. Pero nung malaman ko 'tong Webcake, parang ang bilis na lang. So, Webcake is also part of, platform na under Pancake. It's a landing page platform for your multi-channel advertising campaigns. Why multi-channel? Talaga namang puwede mo siyang pagsamahin lahat ng iyong mga products, services, and whatever. Actually, we already created a system sa Needs gamit this one. Alright? And it simplified the process. Very easy drag and drop builder. Alright? But of course, hindi ko maibigay sa inyo ng step-by-step procedure for this. But we will just invite you to one of our programs so that ma-instruct namin how to do this. And I don't know if Miss Jess has already prepared something for Webcake. So it's synchronized data with POS. Why? Coming from your landing page, going to the POS of Pancake. All right? And guys, it's totally free. Maliban na high performance siya, mabilis, and tawag nito, very responsive, free pa siya. Okay? All you need to do to have is to purchase your domain. Okay? Well, Docunids has, we also sell domain. Okay. So another okay, so meron pa talagang pa-advertise na. So another platform na we're using is the POS Pancake. Okay, this is an all-in-one multi-channel sales management system in a centralized platform. Malaking tulong po talaga to kay Docunids, lalo marami ho kaming client. Paano ko kaya to i-monitor bawat program ng client? Paano namin ma-monitor yung kanilang mga client ng client namin? Paano namin sila ma-capture? Alright? Paano namin ma-tailor yung mga pangangailangan? Through this POS Pancake. Ang sabi nila, POS of Pancake is only for those who have products. Ako kasi services yung business namin, pero I'm using this POS. I am not using CRM, Miss Jessa, ha. We're actually using POS for our service. Wala nga lang mga pricing, but then I'm gonna show you mamaya. So, it manages orders from your landing page, not only orders, but also those signed up at nagbo-book, alright? And social media in one multi-channel sales management software. Alright? So, yeah, this is what I want you to know. Actually, ginagamit ho kasi namin si Pancake sa aming Docunids Marketing Cadet. Alright? So, this is the meaning of cadet, Christ-centered. That is actually the mission of Docunids, or action-oriented, discipline, discipline, excellence and transformation. Wrong spelling wrong. All right. Actually, kaya ho ako nagfo-focus doon sa mga solo parents because we really I feel the urge of bringing my children to the church and mahalin nila yung Diyos. And that is why also the mission of Docu Needs is being Christ-centered. Um, of course, we want to be committed to every dealings that we have. All right? So, I'll gonna show you some para ang gulo naman ako. So, I'm gonna show you the POS na I'm telling you about. Kita mo multi-channel talaga siya, marami akong ginagawa dito sa aking POS, alright? So, kung paano pong pumasok dito, I guess Jessa will handle that one. So, siguro hindi na lang ako mag-log out just to show you na paano akong pumasok sa Pancake POS, alright? So, andito po siya lahat, no? Ang dami po naming ginagawa sa POS ni Pancake. Alright? So, for example po, so for example sa cadet namin, ito yung aming landing page. Alright? So, kita nyo naman, napakaganda. Ginawa lang namin to in a matter of 10 minutes. Alright? So, landing page talaga siya. Isang page lang siya, no? Pricing, and then contact. So, paano siya nagwo-work? So, for example, ipapakita ko na lang din sa inyo, no? So, ito po yung landing page ng cadet namin. If you want to enroll, you can naman. It's 3,500. Alright? And, yon. So, yan po ang makukuha nyo. Ibibigay ko sa inyo yung link mamaya. But just to show you, for the sake of ating discussion, I want to show you how this POS work. Itatabi ko silang dalawa. So, this is the landing page and this is the POS. Landing page, I want to be the cadet. So, for example, kaninong name? Alright? Nakita ko si Sir Raul sa loob. And then, 0917. Alright? And then, for example, ito yung email ni Sir Raul na sinign up niya. And then the address is Cavite. And then send message. Okay. All right. Here kasi I have my own ano. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na in case po na meron ito payment, ay, wag na lang may payment pala. Automatic babalik yan dito yung customer nyo dahil ayaw nilang magbayad. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko. So, paano na yung leads? Paano ko makuha? Good thing we have POS. So, I'll just go here doon sa shop ni Cadet. Where is Cadet? Lahat po kasi ng ano ng client okay, here's the Cadet. Nilagay ko lang ho, wala siya dito, wala siyang analytics because sinimplihan ko lang po yung sign up. Andito na po si Sir Raul, nakikita po natin. And then lahat po ng information niya, makikita din po natin. So definitely, kahit hindi siya nagbayad, kahit hindi siya tumuloy, makikita mo pa rin siya and you can call him right there and then. So that is what we call the retention. So even if hindi po siya nag-go, hindi siya nagbayad, automatic po siya dito sa ating POS. Alright? So, that's yun lang po ang pinaka-simple ko na kaya kong ipakita sa na demonstration of how this landing page and POS work together. So, yun lang po. And I guess if you have any question, yeah, you can throw me question now. Miss Jessa?
Ayan. So, siguro Miss Arlene, we can have the Q&A later. Ayan, kasi sa tingin ko mas madami silang magiging questions mamaya after I present them. May mga humihingi kasi dito ma'am, interested sila how if we have a sample website from Webcake. Ayan. So, siguro show ko muna ma'am no yung mga tools ni Pancake very quickly. Tapos para mas marami tayong time for Q&A mamaya. Okay. Sige po. So, share muna ako ng screen. By the way, Miss Arlene, you're good na po, no?
Yes, ma'am, Jess.
Okay, sige po. So, share po ako ulit ng screen. Very quick ano lang, overview of our tools. So, ang ganda nung presentation ni Miss Arlene kanina kasi diniscuss niya na yung lahat ng 5 tools. So once subscribe na po kasi kayo kay Pancake, you automatically have access sa Pancake, Botcake, CRM, POS, and Webcake. So usually, palagi kasi namin nare-receive na tanong sa mga client namin, pag gusto ko ba Pancake lang, may separate ano pa ba subscription ako kapag mag-a-add ako ng Botcake. Yan. So, 'di ba Miss Arlene, madalas ano, may mga gusto nila lahat ng tools ni Pancake magamit nila kasi there are businesses talaga na they can use CRM and POS at the same time. So gaya nung shinare ni Miss Arlene kanina, even though hindi physical product yung binebenta niya, she is using the POS. So pwede kasi yon. Actually may mga clients ako from real estate na ganun din yung ginagawa nila. Okay? So dito, para lang ma-visualize nyo kung ano yung dashboard ni Pancake. So pag nakapag-login na po kayo kay Pancake, these are all the platforms that you can connect po kay Pancake. Yan. So si Pancake po kasi is a single dashboard wherein pwede niyong i-connect lahat ng platforms niyo from different, yung lahat ng accounts niyo from different platforms para mas ma-monitor niyo sila effectively. So, meron po tayong Facebook, Instagram, we also have threads na, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube, Shopee, Line, Google, Chat plugin. Ito po kapag mayroon kayong website or landing page ng My Chat plugin, you can also connect here para ma-monitor nyo po yung mga leads na pumapasok. And then we also have here Lazada and Tokopedia. So ang dami nating platforms. Usually, most of the platforms naman na gamit dito sa Philippines, makikita nyo dito or pwede siyang i-integrate kay Pancake. Okay, so, highlight ko lang din quickly mga magandang features ni Pancake na I think would be beneficial for mga business owners na andito. Ayan. So, we have here, pasok tayo kunyari dito sa aming demo account. Ayan. So, kapag ka kasi ano, pumasok kayo dito kay Pancake, very good feature niya is meron po tayo ditong ayan. Meron po tayo ditong tagging. Usually, yung mga features niya, para siyang similar to Meta Business Suite, pero may mga added features siya like meron tayo ditong tagging, meron po tayo ditong statistics na available, especially if you're running ads. Makikita nyo yung statistics dito. So this is very helpful para makita nyo yung mga, like kanina binanggit ni Miss Arlene, malalaman nyo agad kung ano yung mga ads na puwedeng magsunog lang ng pera niyo, 'di ba? So kapag nakita niyo na yung ads niyo here ay, hindi maganda yung performance, you can opt to turn it off or replace it. Yan. So, since itong page na 'to is not currently running ads, wala tayong data. Pero if you're running ads sa page niyo, makikita niyo dito yung, data ng ads niyo. Tapos you also have here, ayan, ito ang gandang feature din ito, especially dun sa mga businesses na meron ng mga, sales people na hinire. Okay, we can assign leads to them. Yan, so just like this one, ayan. Tapos meron tayo ditong configuration options like, for example, you want to assign to them equally or you want to assign lang sa mga salespeople mo na online lang. Ayan. So, pwede siya. There are a lot of tools here na pwede ninyong makita. Tapos, I think this one is also very good for you to know. Yung multiple mode natin sa Pancake. Ayan. So, puwede po tayong, puwede natin sabay-sabay i-login yung accounts natin from different platforms. So, for example, this one, puwede niyo lang siya piliin. 'Yan. Tapos check niyo lang lahat ng platforms na gusto niyong i-monitor. So, for example, yung isang business ninyo, meron kayong, TikTok for that, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook page, puwede niyong sabay-sabay i-monitor. So, just, do enter multiple mode. Ayan, tapos makikita niyo na dito from which platform siya galing. Okay, so meron siya dito from TikTok, from Facebook, ayan. Ta's meron siya ditong, from other platforms as well. So, aside from that, meron naman siya ditong mga ano, distinguishing colors for you to, see kung saan siya galing. So, dito lang siya sa settings, display. And pwede kayong mag-assign ng colors for every platform or account that you have. Okay, so may mga tanong kayo, ang dami kasi niyang features, so we don't want to overwhelm you with the information about our tools. Mas maganda po magtanong kayo or mag-message kayo sa Pancake Philippines Facebook page if you want a demo, full demo of our tools. Yan. Tapos, for our bot cake naman, ito yung mga standard features ni Botcake na I would like to highlight. Sa tingin ko din, very useful for you to know. Yung mga basic automations natin. So, also similar to Meta Business Suite, we have main menu buttons that you can set up just like this one. Ayan. So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya kapag nag-set up kayo. Meron naman siya ditong preview sa gilid. Tapos, icebreakers, we also have that. You can also set up yung mga welcome message, default reply as well. So, dito sa default reply, you can also set up an AI flow na chat GPT. We also have here keywords. So for example, ano ba yung mga commonly asked questions sa or frequently asked questions sa page mo? Yan yung mga ano, 'di ba, mga how much, magkano, where are you located, saan. So, you can set up a keyword or keywords for that. Tapos pwede kayo mag-assign ng answer for that certain keyword group. Okay. Tapos we also have here sequences. Ito magandang feature din to ni Pancake because we can set up follow-ups. Pwede kayong mag-assign ng halimbawa, you want it to be sent immediately or pwede kayong mag-assign ng specific time and date. Yan. So, you can explore this one as well. Yan. So, pwede siyang madami. So, that's why it's a sequence message. And we also have here rules. Yeah, so you can set up rules. Like for example, just like this one, you can automate tagging here. Yan. So you can set up here mga conditions. Tapos, you can also automate comments. Yan. Special, di ba, pag nagra-run ads tayo, may mga talagang magko-comment dyan. Kahit nasabihin natin na if interested kayo, mag-message kayo sa page. Meron pa rin mga magko-comment dyan. Okay? So, may nag-comment dito, I can't hear. Okay, so okay po ba yung audio ko on your end? Can you comment one? Okay, so okay naman daw po. Okay. So please check po Rodilia Mikulov if okay on your end. Baka po sa technical on your end po. Yeah. So let's proceed po. Yan. So, dito you can also automate mga comments. As I've mentioned earlier, pwede siyang i-automate kasi nga may mga magko-comment at magko-comment diyan. So, dito niyo lang siya i-set up. Just make sure na naka-on itong mga buttons na to. Yan, auto-reply. Tapos, another feature na din since nandito na tayo, input keywords. Ayan. So, we can input here keywords. For example, ano ba yung mga madalas na ayaw nyo, automatically delete na natin yan. So, pwede po yan. Just set it up here, automatically i-hide siya or i-delete siya ni chatbot natin. Okay, so another feature, ito yung ang gandang feature ngayon ni Pancake. Ayan. So, re-share ko lang yung screen ko kasi I'll be sharing with you yung audio niya. Magpe-play ako ng quick video for you guys. Yan. So, nag-improve na ang ating Botcake ngayon. So, Botcake AI na siya. Yan. So, dito sa Botcake AI, pakita ko sa inyo how easy it is to set up. Yan. So, kanina 'di ba sa default reply sinabi ko sa inyo or pinakita ko sa inyo na we can set up their mga AI flows through ChatGPT. Pero dito sa Botcake AI natin, ang kagandahan dito is mas simplified version siya of setting up your AI sa page. Okay? So, dito kung makikita nyo, instruction na lang talaga ang ilalagay mo. Wala nang complicated flows. Tapos, ang maganda pa dito is that connected siya sa ating POS. So once na nag-book yung customer or nag-avail siya ng product, automatically siya magre-reflect sa ating POS. So just check these buttons. And also, we have here follow-ups. Ayan. So we have here follow-ups. So we can send a message pwede niyong i-set up siya every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or up to an hour, 4 hours, ganyan. Tapos, you can set up kung ilang follow-ups yung gusto nyong ibato ng AI natin. So, pwedeng 3 hanggang 5, ayan. So, pwedeng marami. Tapos if you're not, you don't know where to start, halimbawa, paano ko ba ise-set up 'yan, ganyan. Meron ba kayong sample? Kasi madalas din namin 'yan nare-receive na question na 'yan. So dito po sa loob ng Botcake AI, meron na po siyang reference templates. So marami na ditong templates na you can just copy. Yan, copy nyo lang 'yan. Tapos you can ask ChatGPT for help para i-set up or i-revise siya according to your brand or brand tone or the products that you sell. Okay, you can just copy. Pwede kayo pumili dito ng mga templates. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo ng video. So this one kapag since may mga nag-comment dito ng mga nasa service-based business. So please watch this video. Ganito nagwo-work yung ating Botcake AI for service-based business. Ayan. So, meron question dito kanina. Ayan, sabi ni Warren, for service business, you can connect, ay hindi siya question. For service business, you can connect Botcake AI and CRM. So, yun yung another, yun yung magandang feature nito. Since, di ba, na-mention din kanina ni Miss Arlene na connected lahat ng tools ni Pancake. So, kahit saan manggaling yung leads mo, pwede siyang ibato sa final tool natin, which is, it's either CRM or POS. Yan. So, sabi naman ni Sir PJ, baka pwede yung template sa Botcake AI, meron sample each niche like for real estate, insurance, products-based resources, etc. So, yes po, pwede. Just PM our Facebook page, Sir PJ. We can give you an AI prompt na based on your preferred niche po. Yan, pwede ba ma-integrate ang ano 'to, ano 'yan, Zapier sa mga tools ng Pancake? I'm not familiar po with ano, Zapier. But, you can message po our page na lang, Santos. Okay. Uy, gulat ako dun, may pwede pa magpa-spin a win. Yes, mahaba yan. So, pwede po siya mismo na, magpa-spin. Actually, ang dami ding hindi hindi familiar na may ganun palang feature si ano, si Botcake natin. Yan. So, if you want a tutorial about it mismo na just message our Facebook page. Yan. So, hindi ko yan magagawa sa system ay okay. Ayan, so sige, few questions bago tayo mag-play nung isa pa. So, this one naman na next kong ipi-play na video is yung Botcake AI performance natin sa, mga nasa e-commerce naman. Okay. Question regarding shipping fee in POS. My products have different sizes and weight and some are bulky. How can I set shipping fee automatically depending on the parcel's dimension, weight, and delivery? Okay. So, sige, sagutin natin to. Pero yung other questions regarding other tools, later na lang po after, during the Q&A. Okay, so yung sa shipping fee po in POS, pwede natin siya i-set up per ano, region. Okay, so if you need more details about it, Miss Jen, message our page po para ma-assist kayo ng tech team namin. Okay, so ayan. Proceed muna tayo dito sa ating next video, yung bot cake for e-commerce. Hello?
Miss Jessa,
Ayan.
naka-mute ka.
Okay, okay na po ba? Yan. So, as I mentioned earlier, yan, goods na. Thank you, Miss Jen. Yan. So, as I mentioned earlier, based dun sa sinabi ni Coach Warren kanina, yung Botcake AI natin for service-based business, pwede siyang connected sa CRM, di ba? So, kapag nasa retail naman kayo or nasa e-commerce business, pwede yung Botcake AI natin naman connected sa ating POS. Yan. So, ang galing, di ba? Talagang interconnected lahat ng tools ni Pancake. Yan. So next tool naman natin ito ano, ito din yung highlight ni Miss Arlene kanina na gamit nila. So ito yung ating web cake. So once nag-subscribe kayo, kasama na din ito sa mga tools na pwede ninyong ma-avail. Okay, so may access na din kayo sa web cake natin automatically. So as you can see here, grabe ang dami nating free templates dito. So meron na din siya, naka-organize na din siya per niche na gusto ninyo. So, all in all, we have 197 free templates here. Tapos, you can see here, ayan, dito sa ating integration, ayan. So, we can connect here yung ating POS. So, kapag ka yung mga products mo naka-upload sa POS or you want your orders na mapunta sa POS from your landing page, you can connect here. Tapos kapag ka CRM naman, pwede mong, halimbawa, yung nasa ano ka, um, kunyari HR solutions yung pino-provide mong services. So pwede kang mag-accept ng mga resumes or CVs through the landing page tapos pwede siyang connected sa ating CRM. So ang galing. For this one pala, this is just a landing page. So wag kayo mga-confuse. So if you want naman na magkaroon kayo ng full website like yung my homepage, my contact us, my about us, meron naman po si Pancake for that. Store cake naman siya. But for this one po, this is a separate subscription. Okay, so hindi siya kasama dun sa 5 tools na pwede niyong ma-avail kapag nag-subscribe kayo kay Pancake. So for this one, pwede kayo magpa-design, magpagaya ng website, just give us your peg tapos we will give you po a quote. Okay? So kanina tinanong din ni Sir PJ, sabi niya, "Meron ba kayong ano, sample ng website or landing page na, gawa from Webcake?" So eto siya. Yan. So ito by the way, galing siya dito sa ating template na nasa cosmetics and beauty. Ayan. So ito siya. Ayan. So nilagyan lang natin ng domain. Yan. So for the domain pala, guys, if you're interested to use the Webcake, you have to purchase your domain. So marami naman yan available na domain. You just have to choose kung saan kayo mag-a-avail. So usually dito sa Philippines is mga GoDaddy, Namecheap.com. Yan, mga binibilhan natin ng mga domains. So for this one, para maipakita ko sa inyo na connected siya sa ating POS, yan. So try natin mag-order. Okay, so for example, dito may mga products kasi dito. Like so for example, mag-shop now tayo. Tapos as you can see here, may details na ako kasi nag-test ako kanina. So dito, lalagay ko lang yung details ko, tapos yung full name, number, address, tapos pipili ako ng product. So for example, itong lady shampoo, and then I'll just have to click it. Okay. So as you can see here, pwede siyang mag-send ng order confirmation through the page. Okay, so pwede siya or through the messenger. Pero pwede mo din siyang i-set up na pwede kasi natin 'to i-connect sa Infotext para text message yung mag-follow up. So for this one kasi ang sinet up namin is Messenger. So sa Messenger siya nag-avail. So pwede din siyang text. Okay? So as you can see here, submission has been received na daw. So let's check. Ayan. So eto siya. Ngayon, 8:16 PM. Pumasok na din sa POS natin yung order from the landing page. Okay. So for this one, kahit na manggaling sa Botcake AI, manggaling sa landing page, or even manggaling sa Pancake, kasi 'di ba po sa Pancake pwede din tayo create ng order just like this one. Pwede tayong mag-create ng order for our leads or for our customers. Lahat 'yan pwede nating ibato sa ating POS. So, since andito na tayo sa ating POS, highlight ko na din yung mga features na sa tingin ko important for you to know. Yan. So, dito, kung nagra-run kayo ng ads, ayan. So, this one is very useful for you para mas mapaganda natin kumbaga yung performance ng ads. So, dito kasi kay Pancake, pwede tayong mag-connect. Ayan. So, meron tayong available here na dataset kapag nagra-run kayo ng ads. So, pwede niyo siyang i-set up yung custom event. So, for example, pipili kayo kung ano yung order status na gusto nyong itapat. Halimbawa, confirmed. Tapos, ano ba yung sync event niya? So, pwedeng kapag confirmed pa lang siya, initiated order. Tapos, pagka halimbawa naman, ayan, kunyari, collected na yung money, sa kanyo lang siya i-set as purchase. So, it depends on you. So, dito kasi meron na kaming naka-set up na ganyan. So, ang ganda nito guys na you can also make or take advantage of this Pancake or POS feature. Okay. Tapos kanina sabi ni Miss Arlene kasi though she's not selling physical products, she still uses POS. Actually may mga clients din ako na nasa real estate na ina-upload nila dito yung mga properties sa POS. So hindi lang nila magagamit is itong courier feature. So kapag ka nasa retail ka kasi like you're selling physical products, kailangan silang i-deliver. So meron tayong mga partner POS for that. So usually yung mga major couriers naman dito sa Philippines, mahahanap nyo na siya dito kasi they're partners na with Pancake. Tapos it's very easy po to connect kapag halimbawa you want to have or connect your account sa na JNT sa Pancake. Yan, may mga buttons na po. Yan. So kapag nakapag-create na kayo ng account, hihingin lang ni Pancake yung VIP code nyo, input nyo lang siya dito tapos click connect, automatically magre-reflect na dito na may account connected. So kapag LBC naman, ayan. So, customer code naman. So, iba-iba kasi yung requirement per platform. Pagka 'pag nakapasok na po kayo dito sa POS, pwede nyo siyang i-discover. Okay, so ito yung mga magandang features ni Pancake. So another common question that we receive is, saan naman napupunta yung payment? Hino-hold nyo ba yung payment? Yan, may kaltas ba kayo sa payment? 'Di ba? Ganon yung mga madalas na tanong sa akin kapag nagde-demo ako. So dito sa payment, yan. So dito siya pwedeng mapunta. Okay, so dito kapag gusto nyo po automated, yan, partners, pwede tayong mag-integrate ng ating Stripe account and also Sendit account dito. So para hindi na kayo magko-confirm ng payment, especially useful ito sa mga businesses na ang dami na nilang volume of orders per day na kinikater. Okay? So, pwede kayong mag-connect ng account ninyo dito. Pero if you want naman na, halimbawa, manageable pa rin naman yung volume of orders, you still want to manually verify yung payments na pumapasok, you can connect here yung mga accounts nyo sa GCash, Paymaya, BPI, BDO, Union Bank, Land Bank, Metro Bank, East West, Security Bank, and Palawan Express. So, lagay nyo lang dyan, halimbawa, you chose GCash. Tapos lagay nyo lang po dyan yung account name ninyo and then account number and then click save. Tapos kapag magbabayad po yung customer, pwede silang pumili kung saang account sila gustong magbayad. Okay, so yun yung kagandahan dito. Kapag kinonect nyo yung GCash account nyo, for example, and then dun sila nagbayad, papasok siya directly doon sa inyong account. And another good thing about Pancake, wala siyang kaltas per order. So, kapag halimbawa po ang benta nyo sa item nyo is 100 pesos, buong-buo mapupunta sa inyo yung 500, yung 100 pesos. Tapos, ang maganda pa doon is direct na sa account nyo, hindi na siya ino-hold, hindi nyo na siya kailangang i-withdraw. Okay? So, another thing, kapag meron kayong mga accounts from other uh, from other marketplaces, for example, you have an account sa Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, pwede nyo po yan i-integrate kay Pancake para magkaroon kayo ng centralized inventory. Tapos, it's easier for you to monitor yung mga orders ninyo. Okay, so dito pala may overview tayo dito. You can take advantage of this one as well para mas maintindihan nyo how your market performs. So, pwede kayo makapag-generate ng mga magagandang packages for them. Yan, makita nyo dito yung mga bestseller products. Yan, kailan kayo mabenta. Yan. So, another one, lastly, itong tools natin, yung ating Pancake CRM. Yan. So, dito sa ating Pancake CRM naman, kapag ka nasa service-based business, para hindi na kayo mag-spreadsheet, hindi na kayo kailangan mag-manual. Pwede kayong you can make use of our CRM. Tapos dito ang maganda pa, adaptable to sa kahit anong industry. Ayan. So dito kasi, you can customize yung fields na gusto nyong hingiin sa leads nyo. So for example, kasi marami dito mga nasa real estate business, no? So, pwede kayo ditong mag-ask ng mga or mag-add ng mga field na related sa industry nyo. So, ano ba yung mga hinihinging data kapag nasa real estate business? Usually, 'di ba, kailangan natin malaman kung kailan nila preferred yung um tawag dito, kailan nila preferred yung site visit. Yan. So, pwede tayong maglagay diyan, site visit. Yan. So, drinag lang natin yung calendar for date and time. Tapos, ayan, andito na siya, site visit. So, kapag halimbawa, nag-select yung customer ninyo ng date and time, automatically pwede siyang mag-appear doon sa Google Calendar nyo. So dito kasi sa ating CRM, I'm not sure if yung iba dito ay nakapag-attend na previously ng mga webinars si Pancake. Nagkaroon din kami ng tutorial before paano i-connect si CRM natin kay Google Calendar. Okay, so if you want demo about it as well, just message us sa ating Facebook page. So dito din pala sa Pancake, okay, so exit natin to. Ayan. Dito din pala sa Pancake, meron tayong sa Pancake CRM, meron tayong Kanban view. So dito, kapag nag-create kayo ng mga leads, pwede nyo siyang i-drag and drop. Tapos itong mga columns na to, customizable to. So for example sa inyo, ano po ba yung mga ano, yung sales process niyo. So for example dito kapagka, new leads siya, puwedeng yung first column niyo ang pangalan, new leads, yung second column niyo, site visit, and then yung third column niyo, um, client, okay, or paying client. So for example, nag-create po kayo ng ano, bagong account, automatically yung create yung bagong account, puwedeng pumasok siya dito sa unang column. Tapos for example, nag-book na siya ng site visit, puwede niyo lang i-drag yung card na 'yan. And then, ilagay niyo siya dito sa column ng site visit. So, ang ganda nitong feature na 'to kasi puwede kayong mag-customize ng follow-up with them. Siyempre iba naman yung follow-up niyo dun sa mga leads na hindi pa nagbo-book ng site visit. Iba din naman yung follow-up niyo dun sa mga leads na nag-book na ng site visit, 'di ba, waiting for, payment na lang or confirmation. So, yun yung maganda dito sa ating feature. So, you can actually add more columns here. Puwede kayong maglagay ng columns na for example, not qualified, may mga ano, kunyari meron din kayo ditong column na ano, ano pa ba, on process, ayan. So, puwede kayong mag-customize nito. So, kapag nasa other industries kayo, same logic din naman po. Okay. So, that's it. Kapagka interested po kayo to know more, eto po yung ating official Facebook page. Yan, so wag po kayong malilito. Ito po yung, Pancake Philippines Facebook page we currently have 19K followers. Yan, so dito po kayo mag-message kapagka may mga additional questions kayo about pancake tools. Tapos puwede po kayo mag-set ng booked meeting with us via Zoom kung gusto niyo ng demo ng aming tools. Okay, so kasi right now we have limited time. Ayan, na 9 PM na, we still have Q&A. Ayan. So, that's all for our, quick overview ng Pancake tools. Ayan. So, right now, Miss Arlene, we can, have the Q&A po. Yan. So, check ko lang dito yung mga ano, comments. So, thank you Coach Warren, for helping us answer yung ibang inquiries from the audience. Yan, keep your questions coming na po. This is our Q&A.
I guess wala na yata silang question ano, Miss Chessa.
Ah,
Natuhog mo na lahat.
ang galing na-discuss na natin lahat, ma'am. Ayan, so kung may questions din kayo about, the topic of Miss Arlene, kasi kanina Miss Arlene may mga nababasa akong ano, super interesting daw yung topic natin, kailangan daw nila ng replay. Ayan, so kung may mga questions din kayo ano, not just about pancake tools po, about the topic kanina ni Miss Arlene, keep them coming. Ayan. Quick questions, ma'am, regarding payment method. May kini-click po ba sa Pancake to send this quicker? Puwede po kayong mag-ano, set up ng flow, tapos kapag nasa Pancake po kayo, automatically puwede niyo siyang i-send from the bot cake. 'Yan. So if you want ano, a demo of this, Sir Rowell, message po kayo sa page natin para may ma-assign sa inyong, um, admin ng Pancake Philippines to assist you. Ayan. From Sofia Neri, yung CRM and Pancake ang paid po. So kapag yung pancakes po, kapagka pay kayo ng pancake subscription, lahat na ng tools na diniscuss namin except the store cake, you can already avail it na. Okay. From Miss Elaine naman, can Viber be integrated into it also? Sa pancake po hindi, pero sa bot cake we can integrate Viber. Okay. From Mona Lorenzo, comparison daw GHL and pancake. Hala, char. um, yung sa GHL kasi I'm not really familiar pero I'm aware na competitor sila ni Pancake. So, siguro we want to focus more na lang sa tools or advantages ni Pancake. If you want to know more about the tools, ma'am, ni Pancake, we can share more with you. Yung sa GHL kasi, I don't think we're in the position to discuss it kasi ano, we're not aware din as well sa mga sa strength ng tools nila. Okay. So, may certificate po ba ito? So, ayan, sorry Miss Joy, wala po kaming ano, certificate for this certain webinar. Yan. Yung other webinars po kasi namin meron, pero for this one, we don't provide po. Can teach AI to send this to ma'am. So what do you mean po, Sir Ruel? Ano yung ise-send? The payment po ba? Ayan, Miss Jen, can you send some pancake clients for Ecom? So we can check their bot cake, web cake, etc. Yes, Miss Jen, message niyo po yung Facebook ng Pancake Philippines para makapag-send po kami ng sample. Okay, so yes daw, sabi ni Sir Ruel, payment method. Yes po, pwede po mag-send ng payment method. Actually, from our previous webinar, pinakita namin doon yung ano, Botcake AI kapag halimbawa nag-ask yung customer paano siya magpe-pay. Ayan, so pwede po yun, Sir Ruel. Bali kung sabi ni Miss Mona, bali kung FB and TikTok, bali 2 po yung babayaran ko. So yung quotation po kasi ni Pancake, it depends po sa number of connections. 'Pag sinabi nating connections, account siya. For example, meron kang Facebook page, meron kang TikTok, meron kang Instagram, 3 connections 'yon. So kapag meron ka pong dalawang Facebook page, 2 connections 'yon. So per account po siya. So hindi siya per platform. Sabi ni Miss Sofia Neri, meron po bang email automation sa CRM? Yes po, meron. And saka sa pancake na restaurant, are you connected? Hindi po. Hindi po Miss ano, Galicia. Miss ba 'to or mister? Hindi po kami connected sa pancake na restaurant. So ang dami din po nagtatanong sa amin 'yan. Ah, Pagkain ba binebenta niyo? Ayan, so hindi po. Ayan, from Miss Jen, can you send some pancake clients for Ecom so we can check? Okay. Okay, thank you Sir PJ. Ayan, klaro po. Yan, thank you so much everyone. Wala po ba kayong questions for Miss Arlene regarding yung topic ni Miss Arlene kanina? Ayan, so we'll wait until 8:35. Pag walang mga comments, we can um end the call na. Ayan,
Hello.
from Sir Ruel. Last question. What are the help we can get from Pancake PH for Bot Cake AI, ma'am? Nag-avail po kasi kami sa mga coaches online that teach and set up Bot Cake AI. Sobrang expensive ng price. Okay. Message us po sa ano, Pancake Philippines Facebook page. Kasi as long as active subscriber naman po kayo ni Pancake, we will accommodate you. Okay. So, ano po yung mga programs na offer ni Miss Arlene? Ayan, Miss Arlene from Santos. Ano daw po yung mga ino-offer niyo, ma'am?
Well, actually, it's all for the business. We have actually AI landing page, parang ganon. So, there's a lot. So, I'll gonna share to you the link so that kayo na po mismo ang mag-explore doon sa aming landing page. Of course, gawa ng web cake.
Ayan. Please send it to us as well, Miss Arlene, yung link para kapag nag-send po tayo ng promo code with sa clients, pwede naming isabay yung link na ipo-provide mo
Yes,
for
yes.
them.
Alright po.
Ayan.
Hello
So,
po. Good evening, Ma'am Jessa. Puwede
ah
po question via this, call?
sige po, go. Sige po.
Nabanggit niyo yung store cake. So,
Opo.
nakita ko dun sa video niyo na start your free trial. So, ibig sabihin may free trial siya.
Yes po. You're interested
Pero
po?
oo. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-explore, pero nakita ko na dati po si store cake. Kaya lang di ko pa siya na-start i-try. Ano po ba yun? Iko-connect din po ba yun sa POS and, web cake? Eh, di ba web cake is ano lang, is
Landing
landing
page.
page din. Ang store cake is combination of website and landing page.
Yung ano po, ayun yung kagandahan ma'am sa tools ni Pancake. Kasi ano, interconnected siya. So bale kaya siya tinatawag ma'am na Pancake ecosystem. So kapag halimbawa ma'am meron kayong store cake, pwede natin siya i-connect sa other platforms. Like for
Okey.
example, you want to connect it sa POS or sa CRM, pwede po siya.
Okey po. Tapos 'di ba po may both cake AI, auto comments, yung mga features na binanggit niyo. Even if I'm not running an FB ads, example organic posting ako sa FB page, then I created the flow on both cake, 'di ba may flow and sequence siya. Nag-create ako sa both cake. Magra-run pa rin po ba yung mga ginawa kong flow even if I am not running an FB ads?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay po.
Kahit hindi ka po mag-run ng ads. Like yung kanina, ma'am, 'di ba pinakita ko yung data ko sa Pancake, wala akong
Hindi
running na
po kayo
ads.
naka-run na ads
Oo,
dun?
pero
Na
nagwo-work po yung mga
nagsasagot din si Botcake, but
mm.
as long as may mag-message doon sa FB page niyo 'no?
Mm. Yes po, as long as
Okay.
pumasok sila sa inbox. So kahit na organic posting lang 'yan or
Opo,
kung mag-run man kayo ng ads, babatuhan siya ng sagot ng ating Botcake.
okay. Sige po, yun lang po. Salamat po ng marami, ma'am.
Okay. Sige po. So, yun pong yung promo code natin for tonight, we will be sharing doon sa mga nakatapos ng webinar na 'to. So, please take a screenshot. Ayan, take a screenshot now. Tapos isabay niyo yung time. Ayan, sabay niyo yung time sa screenshot niyo and then send it to Pancake Philippines Facebook page para ma-accommodate po namin. Mabigyan kayo ng replay as well as yung promo code for tonight. Tapos yung link ni Miss Arlene na sinasabi kanina, we can also provide it po sa aming mga follow-ups. Okay. So, thank you so much. Sabi ni Sir PJ, one thing I love with Pancake, very responsive ang support and continuous ang upgrade ng platforms nila. Is still exploring but will upgrade to their 1-year plan. Wow, thank you so much for Sir PJ for your support. Yeah, so last question po before we end the call. Ayan, from Miss Sofia Neri, ano po yung bot need i-connect on certain organic post lang or para mag-automation? So, hindi po. Ayan, hindi po Miss Sofia, kahit na hindi po kayo run ng ads or hindi siya connected sa post as long as pumasok sa inbox niyo yung lead, either through organic posting or if nag-run kayo ng ads, babatuhan siya ng sagot ni bot. Yan. So, yes po, merong promo. Take a screenshot now before we end the call. Screenshot nyo po na natapos nyo itong webinar and also yung time, isabay nyo po. Tapos, send it to Pancake Philippines Facebook page para mabigyan kayo ng mga sinasabi kong promo natin kanina. Okay, so that's all everyone. Thank you so much. And Miss Arlene, any closing message?
Well, I just want to thank you you tailor all the benefit of pancakes, so all the question goes to you. Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Thank you
Thank you,
everyone
everyone,
for
for
your
attending
time.
this
Have a great
Where's the
weekend po.
where's the promo code? Hindi wala akong makita.
We will be sending the promo code po sa Pancake Philippines page. So please send yung proof na natapos niyo yung webinar. Okay, thank you
Ah,
so much
okay.
everyone. Message na lang po kayo sa Pancake Philippines Facebook page.
Pancake.
Have a
Okay,
great
thank you.
weekend everyone. Thank you so much Miss Arlene.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you
Chesa.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.